So, good morning ladies and gentlemen, I decided to go to the Ouzoud Waterfall. I go with this bus, 7 o'clock in the morning. So, let's see, I'm a little bit sleepy. This is the Marrakesh, Morocco bus station. It's huge. The office is closed, but you can buy a ticket from the driver as well. So that's no problem, and the price is 70 dirham. So hopefully we don't get too much rain, because yesterday it was cancelled. So that's why I decided I tried to go by myself with bus. And it will be rainy or something like that. I come back. So see you later in Ouzoud Waterfalls very soon. Then maybe it takes 3 hours, but I'll let you know guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to help me growing my channel to the algorithm. So see you later in Ouzoud. So cute. Hello. Hello. The monkeys. You ask me for 70, I give you 50. If I'm happy, I give you a little bit more. So I give you 70 or 60 or 80. It depends
No,
how.
100.
Oh, no, 100. No. I think so. So take 1 hour or how many?
1 hour.
1 hour. It's okay.
1 hour in the head.
Oh.
Can't you go this way?
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
We can find. And how many people living here in Ouzoud?
1,600.
1,650. Oh, not too small. a good village, yeah.
Small village.
Yeah.
Because in summer, many more people will come into big city.
Oh, okay.
Now
And
this is
and how many tourists come here every year, for example?
every year. Then in Ouzoud, for example, 2,000, 3,000 every year.
2,000, 3,000 people only? Only? Really? I think it's much more.
Much more because sometimes you see many people will come in from local.
Oh, okay.
Local people.
Local people.
Sometimes it's more 7,000
Oh,
people every
okay.
year.
Every year. But for the Europe, they coming just maybe 2,000-3,000.
European people, yeah.
Oh, okay.
From Hungary, Slovakia.
Slovakia.
Romania. Someone will see you to have faces from Morocco.
Really? Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. And we got the right street now. Yes. And we go down there, yes?
Yeah.
We go down later.
Later, I will
Later, yes, okay. Wow. Wow, hello. Oh my god, Hungary. Oh my god. So nice. Yes. Hungary.
My baby from here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's so nice, yeah. Oh my god.
Hotel 5 stars. My name is Burj de Cascades.
Burj?
Burj de Cascades.
Burj de Cascades.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
It's
the
so
water
beautiful.
10 meters.
Sorry?
10 meters water.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So nice. So look at this beautiful waterfall here in Ouzoud. A little bit dirty the water because it was very heavy rain yesterday and today in the morning as well. But still it's very nice. So look at this dead monkey. So cute. Oh my god. Hello. So I'm very happy with this tour guide because everywhere is too slippery, so we need to go just slow because it was a heavy rain and everywhere is slippery. But look at this beautiful waterfall, and now we go down to see from down to up and see some monkeys, and we go to the village as well. Oh. Yeah. So let's go. Wow, so beautiful. The waterfall and the village as well.
My baby from here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's so nice, yeah. Oh my god.
Hotel 5 stars. My name is Burj de Cascades.
Burj?
Burj de Cascades.
Burj de Cascades.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
It's
the
so
water
beautiful.
10 meters.
Sorry?
10 meters water.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So nice.
oil.
Argan oil.
This is how we make an argan oil. Here we have the argan fruits, these ones.
Okay.
We pull over skin like this. You see?
Okay.
And then we crush this one by stone because it's hard to crush it by thick.
Okay.
It's really hot. And inside there is nuts.
Not. Oh,
You see?
and we
It's
can
like-
eat as well?
This one is bitter.
Oh, okay.
You can eat.
No, you
can't
can-
eat
okay,
it,
you can't, okay.
So this one roasted, same.
Roasted, same,
Roasted,
okay.
We use it for cooking oil.
Cooking oil, okay.
This one for cosmetics.
Cosmetics. Oh,
Cosmetics for hair and skin. So this is like traditional machine. We put the green inside, and then
Okay.
we keep stirring. Oil with
Okay.
the pest becomes out from that.
All right.
You see? So we
Yes.
need to mix it with water.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Oh, okay, I see, yeah.
We need to mix it
Wow.
with water. For cooking side we need cold water. Cosmetic we need hot water because it's sticky.
Hot water. Oh, okay.
After we finish, we separate both, we filter oil and pest. This is what left. Use like black soap, face mask, scrubs.
Oh,
So
okay.
usually everything useful, no waste, and there is some product inside. I'm going
Yes,
to
yes,
show
very
you.
good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. And where is the boat? Now it's not boat. Or, oh, yes, 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 I see. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. No, oh, okay. Wow. 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 So Florida is behind me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be here. It's just wow, insane. Oh my god. This waterfall, beautiful. And the mountain as well, so look at this. Oh my god. There's a lot of water, it's coming everywhere. So beautiful. So definitely worth it if you are here in Marrakesh, Morocco, to visit the Ouzoud Waterfall. I'm speechless, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you hear me, but look at this beautiful waterfall here in Morocco, Ouzoud Waterfall. Just wow. So welcome Ouzoud Waterfall here in Morocco. Wow. So look at this beautiful Atlas mountain, monkeys, and the beautiful waterfall. Just wow. The monkey. He go ahead. Nope. Oh, it's okay.
Don't worry, don't worry. Nothing.
Thank you.
Don't touch. One moment.
So, I found a nice restaurant to try the tahin with lamb. So let's taste the tahin here in Ouzoud. So look at this It looks lovely. It's very hot. Tahin, traditional Moroccan food here in Ouzoud. So let's try. So let's try the lamb tahin here in Ouzoud. This is a Moroccan traditional food. So let's try. Lamb. Hot. The taste is really nice. And the meat, I mean the lamb is perfectly cooked. It's so soft. Melt in your mouth. Oh. Wow. That is beautiful. Meat. Oh my god. That is just wow. Next thing I'm going to try in Marrakesh chicken as well. Lamb is very nice because the two guys said the chicken is the best, but I would like to try the lamb because I like the lamb, and not everywhere you can find the lamb, so that's why I try this. Just wow. Bone? My god, it's so good. Anyway, I have a cat. Nice, unbelievable. Wow. Just perfect. So, after then, I go back to the village, I have a look around the village, and after that I go back to Morocco, Marrakesh. The bus takes 3.5 hours. So, see you then, and see you later. Thank you for watching. So, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Behind me was a restaurant I started tahin. I taste the tahin. In front of me there is a cafe. It was very nice. And as you see, it's not too big a village. Maybe 1,500-600 people living here in Ouzoud. And nearly only 3,000 tourists coming from Europe, from everywhere in the world, and nearly 70,000 from Morocco tourists coming here in Ouzoud to see the waterfall every year, as my touring guide he said to me. But look at this, it's beautiful Atlas mountain here, so peaceful everything. And there is a little tahin restaurant and a 5-star hotel over there, looking for the river, waterfall. So I have a look maybe what's going on there, what we can see, and after that I go back to Marrakesh, Morocco. I take a bus, maybe 3-4 hours, go by taxi from here to the street, the big street, and the bus will stop over there, and after I go back to Morocco, Marrakesh. It's just wow. And there is a little park over there, which is nice. And that's it. No more. So, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time on the next video. Bye. So I take another taxi, which is shared taxi, and it's coming from Ouzoud to Marrakesh with 6 people altogether we go, and the price is only 90 dirham, and the bus is 70, but it's much faster this one, so we take it only 2 hours by bus is 4 hours, and I need to wait at 7 o'clock still. Now it's 4 o'clock, very soon we go. So let's see what's happening on the street, and we go to Marrakesh. So see you later.